Sharon Cuneta, porque me engastar, ang saya-saya. Pag uwi ko, napakalungkot ko. Napakalungkot ko. Wala akong may gusto noon, lalong-lalo na po ako. And I just like you to know that yung mga experiences pong yan, gagamitin ko po to make me stronger, not to break me.
Yun lang ang gusto nila
Pero, I hate going back to it, no? Kung pwede lang, hindi ko nababalikan. Pero kami ni Gabby before, nung naghiwalay kami ni Gabby, mahal na mahal ko pa rin si Gabby. See? But it was something I had to do, not something I wanted to do. And Gabby knows that. It's just, ang hirap lang ho. Alam nyo, kala nyo si Sharon Cuneta, porque me engastar, ang saya-saya. Pag uwi ko, napakalungkot ko. Nag-iisa, all these events, I'm not gonna change. I'm not gonna allow these events to change the way I am or the quality of my life. So you can keep looking up to me, because you can be sure that whatever I go through personally, I will always give you my best in my performances, and I will always try my best to live up to your expectations. Mahal na mahal ko po kayo.